Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Please like and subscribe my channel if you like the video. Here is our remaining topic of Unit 2. First topic is problem statement. There is a definition of problem statement and some components of problem statement. Next point is declarative form of statement. There are four declarative form of statement: research type of study, descriptive, second variables, one variables, prevalence of bedsore infection, third population, patient with external fixation, fourth research setting, any hospital. Next point is characteristic of research objectives. First, a well worded objectives will be smart. Second, research objective should be relevant, feasible, observable, vocal and measurable, logical. Next point is needs for research objective. First, to focus the achieve up the study. Second, to focus, clarify, define objectives. Third, to avoid the collection of the data which are not strictly necessary for understanding the and problem solving. Fourth, to facilitate the development of a researcher methodology. Next point is types of research objectives. There are two types of research objectives: general objectives and specific objectives. So general objective are broad goals to be achieved. Example: to assess the effect of ginger on morning sickness among pregnant women. Second, specific objective. Specific objective are short term and narrow in focus. Specific objective are more in number and they are systematically. They should specify what the research will do in the study, where and for what purpose. Example: to determine the prevalence of morning symptoms among the pregnant women, to compare the effect of ginger on morning sickness, to identify the relationship of effectiveness of ginger on morning sickness symptoms with age on diet, any habit of pregnant women, to determine the toxic effect of ginger. Our second topic is hypothesis. In hypothesis, what are the subtopics? First is introduction. Hypothesis is a formal statement of prediction or expected relationship between two or more variables in the study. Next is definition. Hypothesis is a statement of research and expectation about relationship between variables under investigation. Next, importance of hypothesis in research. There are five importance of hypothesis in research. Characteristic of good hypothesis. There are five characteristic of good hypothesis: conceptual clarity, objectivity, simplicity, economical, availability of technique. Sources of hypothesis. First is previous research, second theoretical and conceptual framework, third real life experience, fourth academic literature. Types of hypothesis: simple and complex hypothesis, associated and casual hypothesis, third directional and non-directional hypothesis, null and research hypothesis. Here are the description of these types of hypothesis. You can see. Third topic is assumption. Assumption. First point, introduction. Introduction of assumption is: assumption is a realistic expectation which is something that we believe to be true. Next is definition. Assumption statement that are taken from a guaranteed or considered true even though they have not been scientifically tested. Next is types of assumption. Five types of assumption: universal assumption, assumption based on theories. Third, assumption needed to conduct a research. Fourth, warranted assumption. Fifth, unwarranted assumption. Here is description of these types of assumption. You can see and have a look from the. Our next topic is delimitation. Delimitation, the introduction of delimitation. The term delimitation and limitation are interchangeable used by research. However, delimitation are the boundaries set by the research before starting the study to clearly define the scope of particular study, and no, and on the other hand, limitation refers to change faced by the research beyond him or her. The concept of delimitation may be clearly understood from the followings. First, what is a fourth concept of delimitation? First is delimitation are boundaries that are the set by a researcher in order to control the range of study. Second, in other words, delimitation are restriction that research impose prior to the inception of the study to narrow the scope of study. Third, delimitation are those characteristics identify the researcher to decree the boundaries of their study. Fourth, delimitation are the choice made by researcher that should be mentioned in the researcher study. Uses of delimitation, types of delimitation. There are two types of delimitation: theoretical delimitation and methodological delimitation. You can see from here. Thank you guys. Please like and subscribe my channel and support me.